Another amazing رنگ called رنگ ماهور. رنگ in دستگاه ماهور. You remember رنگ was designed for dance. 6-8 from علی نقی وزیری. I'm going just to talk about it a little bit. Page 27, lesson 58. راست چپ راست 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 راست. Always we play ring like that. If you have a book, it says راست راست چپ, please correct it. راست چپ راست 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 چپ راست 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 راست. Or ریز ریز tremolo. And then in this ring you're supposed to perform exact finger position that is wrote in under or on the top of the note. So from the beginning, second finger with fa at the same time. Practice this interval. This interval is a little bit hard. Then take third finger off, but this one's supposed to just be a slide. Same sliding. Then you can play it fast. Without this, your finger situation would be like a little bit messy. So here, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, la, sliding. Same. Two times. So this part has lots of important stuff inside of it. Technique is so important playing tar and setar. So sol and fa together, third finger, and then mi and fa together, sliding together, re and mi sliding together. One step lower. گوشه دلکش again. 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 A quarter tone. گوشه دلکش دستگاه شور from ماهور. From the beginning and faster. Let's move on to page 30. This is important piece, but don't worry about a few previous pieces. Number 62, called زرد ملیجه, means nightingale, from Ostad Sahba, one of the very famous, amazing musician, Iranian musician. Si bemol, mi bemol, la koron. Si bemol, mi bemol, la koron. We are going just to use it also in this range. آواز دشتی from دستگاه شور. دشتی is one of the subtract or branches of the very big دستگاه. We call it shur, mother of دستگاه. Dashti is one of the children. 1 and 2 and 1 and half 4. خط beautiful, amazing piece. We have lots of vibration on B flat or C bemol, and new technique, we call it اشاره, la, sol, la with one mezrab, la, sol, la on A quarter tone. One mezrab but 3 notes, la, sol, la. How we are going to do it? Just after playing la, a little bit just push it down, push the strings down, and then tap on it again. Take it off and then bring it back again to the same note. We call it eshare. And then also we had trill with one mezrab. It is like echoing. For example, one note, tapping, 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 and make it faster and faster. So use this beautiful, amazing technique in this lesson. Again. Let's learn another beautiful technique or practicing or etude. Same page, page 30, but lesson number 63. This is the control between two hands, mezrab and panje or finger. راست چپ راست چپ. C do re quarter tone. One step before re bekar or natural. Practice it a lot and make it faster and faster, and the technique between these two hands getting better. Faster. So it's up to you how much you want it just to play it faster and faster. Good luck.